We had such an amazing experience on our tour from Split to Krka National Park with Stipe as our guide. He was fantastic, super easy to understand, funny, and kept the whole group engaged throughout the day. The park itself is absolutely stunning, and Stipe made sure we saw all the best spots while giving us just the right amount of time to enjoy them. The optional wine tasting was a perfect addition, delicious wines, a great atmosphere, and such a nice way to connect with others on the tour. We even made some new friends along the way. The day wrapped up with some relaxing downtime at the beach, which was the perfect way to finish a really well-balanced itinerary. The tour itself was very affordable at only $27, not including the wine tasting. Just be aware that the Krka National Park entry fee is separate, $30 per adult, which needs to be paid in cash. We weren't prepared for that, but the company were really flexible and let us pull out cash and settle up when we got back, which was a big help. The park does offer student discounts, that's from the park itself, not the tour company, but you'll need to bring a valid student ID to get it. Overall, the trip was well organized, fun, and excellent value for money. I'd highly recommend this tour to anyone visiting Split, especially with Stipe as your guide. He truly made the experience one to remember. My husband and I enjoyed the Krka Waterfalls and wine and cheese tasting tour. I gave 5 stars for Stefan, who always kept us up to date with wait times and made sure we had euro for the entrance into the park. You were able to use credit cards in Krka and in the small town we visited. Amex is not widely received, however. The waterfalls were beautiful. It did get crowded and you will need to be able to handle steps. We had to wait for the boat because there are only 3 running back and forth. I was a little disappointed in the wine tasting as our waiter did not attend to us as speedily as most wine tastings I have been to. There were 4 to 5 wines and it has been an hour and we were still on the second wine. He may have been the only waiter there, but finally he asked someone to help him and we asked to send out the next 2 because our time was up. We did not have enough time to wander around the small town. I feel that $1 it was worth it. The Krka Waterfalls and wine tour through Florent was a fantastic experience. Everything ran like clockwork, punctual and perfectly organized, making the day stress-free and enjoyable. Our guide, Stipe, was exceptional, warm, knowledgeable, and clearly passionate about sharing the beauty of his homeland. His effort to make everyone feel welcome and informed elevated the tour. Krka National Park itself is a natural masterpiece, lush greenery, cascading waterfalls, and serene walking paths. The wine tasting was the perfect finale, a delightful selection of local wines that showcase the region's rich flavors and traditions. Highly recommended for anyone seeking a blend of nature, culture, and indulgence. We had an excellent time. The entire experience was very laid back. Early commentary about Split as we left the city after getting on the bus and a few tidbits later was the perfect amount of guided that we were looking for. The waterfalls were beautiful and a special experience, even in the rain, and the quick boat tour led us to the wine tasting with 4 small flights of white, rose, red, and a dessert wine, all from their Skala winery. Our guide, Stipe, even tried to help us resolve luggage issues with the airport, which was above and beyond. Would recommend. Great experience. Stipe was informative, fun and went out of his way to make sure everybody was accommodated. Even with multiple languages, I got right through the gates and parking. Everything was so easy, which is much appreciated in such a big attraction. The whole day was stunningly beautiful and we ended it with a boat ride to a super sweet small old town with wine tasting, and cheese which was absolutely delicious with new friends. If you're in Croatia, Krka Falls is a must-see.